Hello. Welcome to my channel, How to Make Money, Part 1. Today we'll talk about freelancing, meaning freelancing involves offering your skills and services to clients on a project or contract basis rather than working as a full-time employee for one company. Freelancers are self-employed and can work for multiple clients simultaneously. Initial investment for freelancing. The initial investment required for freelancing can be relatively low compared to starting a traditional business. Key investments might include equipment, a reliable computer, high-speed internet, and any necessary software or tools specific to your freelance service. Website. Creating a professional website to showcase your portfolio and services. Cost can range from $100 to $500. Professional profiles. Setting up profiles on freelance platforms. Some may have subscription fees or service charges. Marketing. Initial costs for marketing, such as business cards, ads on social media, or sponsored listings on freelance platforms. Workspace. Setting up a home office or renting co-working space if necessary. Then, how to make your freelancing popular. 1. Create a strong portfolio. 2. Build a professional website. 3. Leverage social media. 4. Deliver quality work. 5. Use paid advertisement. So to conclude, freelancing is something you can't make money overnight. It takes time and passion to succeed. So if you are skillful and passionate, you can make your way. I hope this video is informational. Please follow me for more videos like this. Thank you.